Welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Up. I'm Blake and this is Rachel, and we're the channel you come to see to get all your pop-up camper questions answered. And today, do pop-up campers have bathrooms?
Great question. I didn't know when I was new to pop-up camping, but some do and some don't. The older models tend to not. The newer ones, that became a more popular feature. And so when you're looking, you'll just have to see whether it does or doesn't. On that note, when you have a regular standard pop-up, pretty much always, I believe, it's a cassette toilet. What that means is when you get like back home or wherever you're dumping at, you pull the whole thing out and dump it and use gloves. But when you have a high wall, I think most of the high walls, at least a majority of them, have an actual black tank. What that means is that you've got a bathroom, you've got a toilet, shower, you've got a gray tank and a black tank. So you're like the big rigs that on the way out the campground, you see the line of people waiting to dump at the dump station. That's you if you have a black tank or a gray tank. So yes, they can have bathrooms. Sometimes they don't. If you don't have a bathroom, not a big deal. A lot of people either bring a little cassette toilet and just shove it somewhere. Some people have converted a cabinet into a little bathroom station. Some people have an outdoor station with one of those tent things. Yeah. Make sure you stake that sucker down.
TP tents, yeah, those go flying.
Yeah, that's embarrassing. So there's lots of options for you. If you find your dream camper and you wanted a bathroom, it doesn't have a bathroom, you can figure something out, or just make sure you're not too far from the bathrooms at your campsite.
And just because you have a bathroom doesn't mean you have to use it. If you want to use the pit toilets or the pick a spot next to the bathrooms, you can do that as well. If you don't want to have to wait in line, if you're just going to stay for a night or two, or you're just driving through, don't want to have to dump your tanks, you don't have to use it, but it sure is nice to have, especially for the ladies. All right, guys.
And little kids.
Yes, little kids. It's not fun getting up in the morning to run with kids to the bathroom.
Or in the middle of the night.
We did that tent camping a lot. Okay, well, thanks for watching and happy camping.
Happy camping.